This question should be done in the round 2. It says in 2014 the ratio of number of students, let us read it, of batch A and batch B in January. So it says, if I read it thoroughly, January, the batch A and the batch B, the ratio of students are 2:3, okay, and in February it is 5:8. So in Feb this is 5:8. If I read it further, if I come on to the last line, it says the ratio of the aggregate number of students of these two batches put together in February and January. So January together is 5 and February together is 13, right? But they are saying the ratio is 5:26. February to January, 26:5. That means I need to consider the double students here, right? So if I read over the table, I say AB. This is 2, 3 in Jan, and this is 10 and 16 in Feb. January and February, right? What is the increment here? 400%. What is the increment here? What is the increment? 13. So 13 by 3, 100%. Okay. We will do the calculations later. The rate at which the number of students in B grew up in March over the previous year was, it says, the rate at which the number of students in batch B grew up in March over the previous month was thrice the rate at which it was grew up in a Feb. You know, January to February the growth is 1300 by 3%. So February to March for the B, the growth should be 1300%, right, of 16. This is a increment growth. This comes out to be 208. Clear? So in March the number of students from 16 will increment it to 208 plus 16. Okay. Similarly, what is the growth here? 400%. So if I talk about February to March for the group, for the batch A, the growth should be double, which is 800%. I repeat, if you read this line, twice the rate, right? So 800% of 10 incremented by 80, so it is 80 increment on 10. So what is this ratio? 90, and this is 2 to 4. So simplified ratio would be 45 to 112. It should be done in the round 2. The answer is C.